I would like to first clarify that all the content described here is the author's very personal perspective. Keumsansa Temple is a temple established in the Moksan Mountains of Korea during the Baekje period in 600 AD. For 1400 years, it has been a spiritual sanctuary for many people and a place of prayer and meditation for monks. It is located in a beautiful area where the seasons and the mountains, rivers, and fields harmonize in Korea. Among these beautiful places, naturally, Buddhist temples are found in exceptional locations. I will show you Korean Buddhist temples that harmonize with nature in a series. I want to introduce the remnants of this hegemony with my personal filming technique. Video captured by light can only show the visible spectrum in the range of 400, 700 nanometers. To overcome this, I modified the camera to extend the wavelength to the infrared range up to 850 nanometers and captured the appearance of the temple in the infrared region. Buddhism, which began in India in the 6th century BC, spread to the Korean peninsula through Tibet and China in the 4th century. Starting with the state adoption of Buddhism during the Goguryeo Kingdom, Buddhism remained the central hegemony on the Korean peninsula for 1600 years until the influx of Western culture and other religions in the early 20th century. Buddhism, arriving at the easternmost edge of the Eurasian continent, spread to Japan after staying on the Korean peninsula. If medieval European history was a struggle between Hebraism and Hellenism, the history of the Korean peninsula, Korea, was centered around Buddhist culture. Isn't it surprising in world history that one religion was the central ideology for over a millennium in one country? Western Buddhism has had various influences on the people, evident in aspects such as history, culture, art, and philosophy. Various temples and Buddhist art have developed from the Goryeo period to the Joseon period, contributing to Korea's artistic heritage. Buddhism has played a role in teaching social ethics and moral values to the people. Certain Buddhist sects like Jogi order have positively impacted the people through activities such as social service, charitable work, and ethical teachings. Buddhism has served as a tool for many people in seeking spiritual stability and peace. Practices like meditation have helped in stress relief and the pursuit of inner peace. Particularly, contemplative practices in quiet temples or mountain monasteries have provided emotional stability for many individuals. Buddhism has greatly influenced the academic and knowledge traditions. In the medieval period, Buddhist monks emphasized scholarship and engaged in activities such as translating scriptures, Buddhist logic, and philosophy, enriching Korea's intellectual heritage. Some educational institutions have also incorporated Buddhist teachings. How was the black and white video of Korean temples captured in infrared? I will continue to upload more in the future. If you liked it, please subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thank you.